Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into one of the most balanced and stylish compact crossovers in the market, the 2026 Mazda CX-30. Known for its premium feel, engaging driving dynamics, and upscale design, the CX-30 continues to blur the lines between mainstream and luxury. With its refined updates for 2026, this vehicle offers more than ever before in performance, technology, and safety. Let's take a complete walk around and explore what makes this compact SUV a standout choice. Body panels. The 2026 Mazda CX-30 maintains its sleek and elegant silhouette, with sculpted body panels that reflect Mazda's Kodo design language, a soul of motion. The flowing curves and smooth surfaces are intentionally designed to catch light and shadow for a living, breathing effect. Mazda uses high-tensile steel for rigidity and light-weight performance, resulting in improved handling and fuel efficiency. Wheel arches are subtly flared, giving the CX-30 a poised yet muscular stance that speaks to both sportiness and grace. Headlights. Up front, the redesigned LED headlights are slimmer and more focused, giving the CX-30 a sharp, confident expression. The adaptive front lighting system turns with the steering to illuminate curves and corners, improving nighttime visibility. Standard across all trims, the LED technology not only enhances road safety but also gives the vehicle a more high-end appearance, reminiscent of luxury European rivals. Taillights. The rear is clean and modern, featuring signature LED taillights with a circular lighting motif, a nod to Mazda's attention to artistic detail. These lights offer quick illumination for better visibility and safety. The tailgate design has been refined with sharper edges and a more aerodynamic look, enhancing rear airflow and contributing to the vehicle's overall efficiency. Grille. The front grille is unmistakably Mazda wide, wing-shaped, and finished in gloss black or satin chrome depending on the trim. It features a new mesh pattern for 2026 that adds depth and sophistication. The grille also houses radar sensors for Mazda's safety systems, subtly integrated without compromising the aesthetic. Seats. Inside, the CX-30 impresses with luxurious seating materials, even in its base trims. The 2026 model features newly contoured seats with improved bolstering and lumbar support. Higher trims come with leather-trimmed upholstery, heated front seats, and 10-way power adjustment with memory settings for the driver. Rear passengers get generously groomed and seat back angles designed to reduce fatigue on longer drives. Dashboard. The dashboard layout emphasizes simplicity and symmetry, using soft-touch materials and minimalist design to reduce visual clutter. A low-profile dash line enhances outward visibility, while brushed aluminum or wood grain accents give the interior an upscale vibe. All controls are logically placed for ease of use, reflecting Mazda's human-centric design philosophy. Infotainment system. Taking center stage is the 10.25-inch Mazda Connect display, controlled via the rotary dial on the center console. While it avoids touchscreen functionality to reduce distraction, the system now features faster processing, sharper graphics, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Available upgrades include a 12-speaker Bose premium audio system, built-in navigation, and voice control for seamless connectivity. Steering wheel. The leather-wrapped steering wheel features a clean layout with tactile buttons for media, cruise control, and Mazda's i-Activsense safety suite. The wheel is tilt and telescopic adjustable, with heated functionality offered in select trims. Its smaller, sportier diameter enhances driver engagement and complements the CX-30's responsive handling. Engine. Under the hood, the 2026 Mazda CX-30 offers two engine options. The standard 2.5-liter Skyactiv-G inline-4 produces 191 horsepower and 186 pounds-feet of torque, providing a smooth and balanced drive ideal for daily commuting. For more spirited drivers, the turbo model features a 2.5-liter turbocharged engine, pushing out 250 horsepower and 320 pounds-feet of torque with premium fuel. Both engines are paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission known for its direct response and refined shifting. Hybrid option. New for 2026, Mazda introduces a mild hybrid variant of the CX-30. This system pairs the 2.5 liters engine with a 48-volt integrated starter generator, assisting with smoother start-stop function and light power boosts during acceleration. It doesn't offer electric-only driving, but it improves fuel economy by approximately 10 to 15% and reduces emissions, perfect for eco-conscious urban dwellers. Airbags. Safety is always a top priority with Mazda. The 2026 CX-30 includes 8 standard airbags, including dual front side, full-length curtain airbags, and a front center airbag that helps prevent occupant collision in a side impact. The vehicle structure itself is engineered to absorb and redirect crash forces, earning high safety ratings across global markets. Parking assist. Parking is a breeze thanks to front and rear parking sensors, rear cross-traffic alert, and a 360-degree view camera system available on upper trims. These systems work together to eliminate blind spots and reduce the chance of fender benders in tight city parking. Mazda's rear smart brake support even applies the brakes automatically if a collision is imminent while reversing. Price. When it comes to value, the 2026 Mazda CX-30 continues to impress. The base 2.5S trim starts at around $26,000. Including LED lighting, an advanced infotainment system, and a full suite of safety tech. Mid-level trims such as the Preferred and Premium hover in the $29,000 $32,000 range, adding more luxury features. The fully loaded Turbo Premium Plus tops out at around $37,000, offering near-luxury refinement with exhilarating performance and AWD capability. And that wraps up our in-depth look at the 2026 Mazda CX-30, a compact crossover that delivers elegance, efficiency, and excitement in one cohesive package. Whether you value driving dynamics, modern design, or upscale interiors, the CX-30 checks all the boxes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more expert car reviews.